Well, Bruce Willis and W.C. Fields said, all things considered, I'd rather be in Philadelphia. So let's go. Philadelphia, a must-visit destination for 2022. And the Chief Innovation and Global Diversity Officer from Visit Philadelphia, Rachel Ferguson, joins us on Morning Live. Good morning.
Good morning. Thank you for inviting me to join this wonderful program. I'm so excited to be here.
Well, we're excited to find out more about Philly. I mean, I know the basics. I haven't been, and it's been on my list to get to. I don't have any excuses, but, you know, I know the Rocky Steps, the Museum of Art, and I know the Flyers and the Liberty Bell, and I love Philadelphia cream cheese.
Well, that's good, and we're happy that
I know there's more.
We're happy you have some knowledge of Greater Philadelphia, so that's a start. And we definitely want folks, as they begin to plan their spring and summer travel, now is the time to visit Philadelphia. Tell me, are you a fan of Harry Potter by any chance?
Well, no, but I'm surrounded by Harry Potter fans here at CHCH and Morning Live. And yeah, so there's a new exhibit?
Yeah, so it's Harry Potter, the exhibition, and it's taking place at the Franklin Institute. And this is immersive, interactive, and creative. And you're going to really just have a wonderful time to learn about the artistry and craftsmanship behind the props and costumes, and really just explore everything that you see from the blockbuster films and books. And so this is taking place now through September. So you definitely want to either drive, hop on a plane, take Amtrak to come and visit and experience this wonderful exhibition.
So in the Greater Toronto Hamilton area, how many hours is the drive to Philly?
So it would be about 8 hours. So this is going to be a fun road trip, but you're going to really get to enjoy our landscape and our region, make wonderful pit stops along the way. Another exhibition that we have that's worth the trip, it's the nation's longest running horticultural event. It's our Philadelphia Flower Show. And believe it or not, this has been taking place for 193 years. And this year's theme is in full bloom. As you can see from the wonderful imagery that you're showing, this takes place in the lush and expansive FDR Park. And this is a wonderful setting for breathtaking displays, beautiful floral arrangements, and definitely a must-see for here in Greater Philadelphia. This is taking place June 11th through the 19th.
Gorgeous. And Philly plays a big role in March Madness.
Yes. So if you're watching, you know, our fingers are crossed and eyes crossed, and we're rooting, and we're really excited about that. We have so many dynamic sports teams in Philadelphia. Definitely a place to visit with so many attractions and restaurants. We're a walkable city, an accessible city, great hotels, and wonderful exhibitions that continue. One that comes to mind as I think about the summer and we think about pools, there's a new exhibit called Pool, A Social History of Segregation. And this is taking place via Fairmount Waterworks and explores the role of public pools, the connection to water, social justice, and public health. Are you a fan of hip hop and R&B by any chance?
Well, you know it.
So that's good to hear. So we have the Roots Picnic taking place June 4th and 5th. This is a 2-day music festival with artists like Jasmine Sullivan and Mary J. Blige. And they have a live podcast stage where I have to say I'm excited that I'll participate with my co-hosts, Laia and Justin. We have our Visit Philly podcast entitled Love and Grit.
You have great tips on that podcast. Like, you know, for couples or families, like whoever is going, you've got all the places to hit.
Absolutely. So we have, you know, Philadelphia celebrities and influencers that participate, but this is where we talk about the hidden gems and, you know, help with itineraries. So you really want to make sure you listen so that you can explore and get that knowledge even before visiting.
You get Will Smith on there?
Not yet.
Okay,
Not yet.
he's on the list. Okay.
For me?
Yeah, I'm sure he wants to get on this thing because your podcast is a pretty big deal. We're running a time, less than 30 seconds left, but there's a lot of new hotels as well, isn't there?
Oh my goodness. So great hotels, the Guild House, it's a historic national landmark that it's honoring women from the 19th century. It's a luxury boutique hotel. I would definitely encourage people to check it out. But also check out visitphilly.com so you can learn about our hotel package. We have great
Fantastic.
discounts, great offers, and
We'll
free
link that. Yeah, we'll put that at chh.com. See you in Philly. Great to meet you. Rachel Ferguson.
Funny how I finally flipped the script on you. And you the one who's double dipping, yeah. You so sloppy how I caught you slipping up.